Hello, Suzanne here from 31 Arts Music Theory. Today we're talking about naming intervals. Now in level 1 we named intervals just by number, so we just counted from the bottom to the top note, whatever that number was, 4th, 5th, the octave, we named it that. In level 2 we have to name them by number and quality. Yes, so we have 3 qualities to choose from. We have perfect, major or minor. Perfect intervals are the ones that are unisons, fourths, fifths, or octaves. Now, why are they called perfect? It's to do with something to do with the frequencies of the intervals, how they have this perfect frequency. If you want to know more about that, maybe Google it. But from a music point of view with theory, we just need to know unisons, fourths, fifths and octaves are called perfect. The other intervals can be major or minor. So naming them is fairly straightforward. So what we'll do is I've just got a few key signatures written up here just to show you the idea. So we go through first, and what I like to do is just find out what number it is. So here we've got C and C, looks like some glasses. We know that that is a unison. Let's count this one, G, A, B, 1, 2, 3, that is some sort of third. Let's go this one, D, E, F, G, A, B, C is going to be a 7th. A to E is a 5th. C to A is a 6th. G to F is a 7th. And A to A is an octave. So once we've got the numbers, we can then go through, see if there's any unisons, fourths, fifths or octaves, and we can call them perfect. So we have a perfect unison. We have a perfect, perfect fifth, and we have a perfect octave. Now what we're going to do is the ones that are left over, we have to find out whether they're major or minor. So we look at the lowest note, which is G. Now, I always say this is the best way to do it. You ask yourself, in G major, do we have a B natural? The answer is yes, so it must be major. The next one, in D major, is C a sharp or a natural? We find it's a sharp, so it must be a minor 7th because C natural is not in D major. Come along to the 6th, in C major is A natural, yes it is, so it's a major. In G major is F a sharp, it is, so it must be a major. Now I just would advise you not to say, is this interval in the minor key? Because there are major intervals in a minor key. So it's better to say, does this note belong to the major? If it does, it's major. If it doesn't, it's minor. So I hope that that makes sense. We'll look in the next video at how to write the intervals, but for now, just whatever the bottom note is your key note, and then you ask, does that top note belong in that major scale?